Okay, so you can see what they're doing now. Look at how much they've gotten done. They've got a lot done since the last time we were here. And of course, there's the sunset. And we got a train coming. This is one of those diesel trains. There's another train right here. We were just about to go up there and this one pulled in. So let's try this again. As you can see, they've gotten a lot done. Now you can really see it up here, what they've done. You can see all that framework that they put in right there. And here's some of the rest of this side. You can see how much they've done. Then you can get a good close-up view of it now. And there's what the escalator looks like. So there we go. Alright, we can go on the other side now and check that out. Okay, so here's what the beams look like from this side. You can see how much they've done. You look down there, you can see the escalator. Look at that. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love to see how things are done. So now we get to see this close up. Look at that. Train to Penn Station will depart in 3 minutes. Interesting. Now we're going to see what they've done from this side. Lots of equipment in there. That is so interesting. They even put new platforms in too, so it wasn't just the steel work that they did the platforms too. So they are renovating this whole station and making it brand new, basically. I find this stuff so fascinating. See how it looks like this, and then we come over here on this side, and you can see what it's kind of going to look like when it's finished. And then if we go over here, you can see inside of there. Really amazing. I'm so fascinated by this stuff. And we got a beautiful sunset to boot. Look at this. There's the elevator. So we're just going to walk down this way now. There you go, Babylon train station.